Miss Lee, and I'm the cold stove girl. Wagwan, what's good, what's poppin'? I'm back again, and you know I have a breakfast video for you today. So stay tuned and see how much shell it now. I'm making something pretty easy today, as always. Nothing too hard, nothing too fussy. I call these potato fritters. But if you want to get a fancy name, you can't call it hash browns, as the Americans would say. Yeah, but I'm doing it a little different. This video is lazy people friendly, so you might see me do things like this, but if you prefer to put it in a bowl and whisk it, go right ahead. There you have it, quick and easy, and it tastes good to see. Please do remember to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment now. Tell me what you think. Until next time, walk good.